Today's briefing identifies 6 specific, avoidable traps that jeopardize capital for first-time property investors. The primary risk for new market entrants is treating an investment property like a personal home. Allowing emotional preferences to override objective, localized market data leads directly to underperforming assets. By recognizing these strategic, analytical, and financial pitfalls, investors transition from high-risk speculation to executing a reliable, long-term wealth generation system. Australian property has a long-term history of growth, but prices do not rise uniformly across all regions every year. Markets move in cycles, and individual suburbs can underperform for extended periods. Before entering the market, buyers must force a choice between prioritizing capital growth, rental yield, or a calculated balance. Targeting the hottest suburb is ineffective without verifying local employment, infrastructure investment, population growth, and tight supply levels. Strict adherence to a localized, numbers-based methodology ensures capital is directed toward areas with strong fundamentals, preventing funds from stagnating in underperforming markets. First-time investors frequently err by focusing entirely on the purchase price, severely underestimating the total cost of owning an investment property. This checklist splits these expenses into 2 distinct categories. Upfront acquisition costs include stamp duty, legal fees, and inspections. After settlement, you must account for recurring obligations like strata fees, council rates, landlord insurance, and routine maintenance. Financing these assets carry unique constraints. Investor home loans are assessed differently than owner-occupier mortgages, frequently requiring stricter serviceability criteria and carrying higher interest rates. Failing to model these compounded costs and operating without a cash buffer leaves highly leveraged investors vulnerable to severe cash flow crises during prolonged vacancies or rate hikes. Securing a property at a steep discount offers zero advantage if it fails to attract renters. An asset with poor tenant appeal quickly becomes a financial liability. Researching tenant preferences is mandatory. Properties located in close proximity to active transport networks, major employment hubs, and quality schools consistently outperform isolated assets over time. Attempting to self-manage the asset to save money introduces significant legal and financial risk. Navigating varying state tenancy laws, negative gearing rules, and capital gains tax structures requires exact compliance. Prioritizing strong rental demand from the outset, combined with professional oversight, secures a consistent income stream while actively defending the property's long-term capital growth. Mitigating these risks requires assembling a qualified advisory team before executing a purchase. Your budget must account for the expertise of a mortgage broker, an accountant, a buyer's agent, and a property manager. The operational sequence is clear. Base your purchasing strategy on precise local data. Budget comprehensively for all secondary acquisition and holding costs, and secure optimal financing prior to market entry. Deliberate planning and the targeted use of professional leverage are the mechanisms that transform early market risks into reliable long-term returns.